Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing an irrational number between 0 and 1. That is the seed you will add to 2. Once done, remember why this works. Adding a rational integer to an irrational preserves irrationality, so 2 plus r stays irrational. For example, take r equals pi 3, which equals about 0. 14,159, or r equals sqrt 2 1, which is about 0. 41,421. Make sure r is strictly less than 1, so the sum lies between 2 and 3. Now you construct actual examples by addition. First, compute 2 plus pi 3. Since pi is irrational and pi 3 is between 0 and 1, the sum is approximately 2. 14,159 and remains irrational. Next, compute 2 plus sqrt 2 1. Since sqrt 2 is irrational, subtracting 1 keeps it irrational and adding 2 yields about 2. 41,421. Once you verify decimal approximations, you've explicitly produced 2 distinct irrational numbers inside the interval from 2 to 3. To finish, you verify both results numerically and conceptually. Compute decimal expansions to confirm each sum lies strictly between 2 and 3, and cite the known irrationality of pi and sqrt2 to justify the sums are irrational. If you ever get a value not in the interval, recheck that your seed r satisfied 0r1. If r was equal to or larger than 1, pick a smaller irrational like sqrt31 or pi3/2 and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.